Oh my goodness. What's wrong, Rose? What's wrong, Rose? That's better, huh? There she is. Oh, come on. Okay, well, she's crying enough. Let's go see Maddie. Maddie! Madeline. Hi! You smiley smileys? That's my pretty girl. Repeat again. Maddie, are you okay? Say hi to everybody. I'm gonna send this to your Mimi and Aunt Tracy and Uncle Jacob and your cousins. Maddie. Poor fussy baby. Okay, say bye.